You are again most welcome in one and another episode of Special One Word Substitution. An area of grassland where animals graze. An area of grassland where animal graze. This is called meadow. This is called meadow. MEADOW meadow. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे चारागाह कहा जाता है. To try to settle a dispute between two other parties. To try to settle a dispute between the two other parties. This is called mediate. MEDIATE mediate. Mediate is a verb. हिंदी में इसे मध्यस्थता करना कहा जाता है. Belonging to the Middle Ages. Belonging to the Middle Ages. MEDIEVAL medieval. Medieval. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे मध्यकालीन कहा जाता है. Of only average standard. Of only average standard. This is called mediocre. Mediocre. MEDIOCRE mediocre. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे औसत दर्जे का कहा जाता है. A musical composition made up of a series of songs or short pieces. This is called medley. This is called medley. MEDLEY medley. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे गीत समूह कहा जाता है. Feeling or expressive pensive sadness. Feeling or expressing pensive sadness. This is called melancholic. Melancholic. MELANCHOLIC melancholic. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है उदासी की अवस्था. Pleasant sounding. Pleasant sounding. This is called melodious. MELODIOUS melodious. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे मधुर कहा जाता है. Something that serves as a reminder. Something that serves as a reminder. This is called memento. This is called memento. Sorry. Something that serves as a reminder. This is called memento. Memento. MEMENTO memento. ये हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है यादगार निशानी और यह एक नाउन है. A person or thing that is likely to cause harm. A person or thing that is likely to cause harm. This is called menace. Menace. MENACE menace. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे हानिकारक कहा जाता है. A soldier who will fight for any country group that offers payment. A soldier who will fight for any country group that offers payment. This is called mercenary. MERCENARY mercenary. किराए का सैनिक. ये भी एक नाउन है. The scientific study of metals and their uses. The scientific study of metals and their uses. This is called metallurgy. METALLURGY metallurgy. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे धातु विज्ञान कहा जाता है. A change in the form or nature of something. A change in the form or nature of something. This is called metamorphosis. METAMORPHOSIS morphosis. ये कायांतरण हिंदी में कहा जाता है. ये एक नाउन है. Paying careful attention at every detail. Paying careful attention at every detail. This is called meticulous. Meticulous. METICULOUS meticulous. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे अति सावधान कहा जाता है. Fear of small things. Fear of small things. This is called microphobia. This is called microphobia. MICROPHOBIA microphobia. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे छोटी चीज़ों से डर कहा जाता है. An instrument used in scientific study for making very small things look larger so that you may examine them carefully. An instrument used in scientific study for making very small things look larger so that you may examine them carefully. This is called microscope. This is called microscope. MICROSCOPE, microscope. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे सूक्ष्मदर्शी कहा जाता है. A traveler who moves from one region or country to another. A traveler who moves from one region or country to another. This is called migrant. MIGRANT, migrant. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे प्रवासी कहा जाता है. Movement of people or animals from one area to another. Movement of people or animals from one area to another. This is called migration. MIGRATION, migration. दिस इज ए नाउन. हिंदी में इसे प्रवास कहा जाता है. ए पीरियड ऑफ 1000 ईयर्स. ए पीरियड ऑफ 1000 ईयर्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड मिलेनियम. MILLENIUM, मिलेनियम. दिस इज ए नाउन. हिंदी में इसे हजार वर्ष कहा जाता है. इंटीमेट समवन्स एक्शन और वर्ड्स इन ऑर्डर टू इंटरटेन or ridicule. This is called mimic. MIMIC, mimic. This is a verb. हिंदी में इसे नकल उतारना कहा जाता है. A place where money is coined by authority of the government. A place where money is coined by the authority of the government. This is called mint. MINT, mint. ये एक नाउन है. हिंदी में इसे टकसाल कहा जाता है. A person who hates and avoids other people. A person who hates and avoids other people. This is called misanthrope. MISANTHROPE, misanthrope. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे मानव द्वेषी कहा जाता है. A person who loves money and hates spending it. A person who loves money and hates spending it. This is called miser. He is called miser. MISER, miser. This is a noun and हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है कंजूस. An unforeseen happening which creates some damage. An unforeseen happening which creates some damage. This is called mishap. This is called mishap. MISHAP, mishap. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे दुर्घटना कहा जाता है. A person who dislikes woman. A person who dislikes woman. He is called a misogynist. MISOGYNIST, misogynist. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे स्त्री द्वेषी कहा जाता है. One who hates reason, argument and enlightenment. One who hates reason, argument or enlightenment. He is called misologist. MISOLOGIST, misologist. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है तर्क वितर्क से नफरत करने वाला. A hater of new things. A hater of new things. He is called misogynist. Misogynist. MISONEIST, misogynist. ये एक नाउन है. हिंदी में से नई चीज़ों से नफरत करने वाला कहा जाता है. This is all about today's special episode of One Word Substitution. Thanks, regards.